Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can create folder in iPhone. For that you have to tap and press an app until it jiggle like this. So tap and hold an app and then pick an app and move that app onto the another app to make a folder. So I'm going to move this folder to another app to make a new folder, and then you have to rename this folder like this, and then you can easily make a new folder. So this is how you can create folder in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video.